Hi friends, in this video I would like to present one of the disk scheduling algorithm SCAN. In the earlier videos I discussed about FCFS algorithm and SSTF algorithms. If anybody missed those videos, first watch those videos, then come to this video. Now we will see what is the SCAN algorithm. So in the SCAN algorithm, we know initially where the head is positioned. We know the head position. From that position you can move towards right side or left side. There are two ends. We can move either left end or either right end. You complete that end until the last, then visit all the vertices available in the queue. Then from the last point again you start towards opposite direction and visit all the vertices available in the queue. Okay, so our head is positioned at somewhere. From that you move either left side or right side. Either you move left side or right side. When you move left side, you cover all the vertices available in the queue, and that move is towards the end of the end of the track. Then come back towards opposite direction and visit all the tracks available in the queue. So that is the methodology in the SCAN algorithm. And sometimes this algorithm is called elevator algorithm. Means the algorithm works like the lift system available in the buildings. So we can call it as elevator algorithm. Now we can understand the SCAN algorithm by taking one example. So here I have different track numbers available in the queue, and the head starts at position 53. So our head starts at position 53. So 53 is the starting position. Now based on the SCAN algorithm, you can start from 53 and move towards this side or move towards this side. So in this example I am starting from 53 and I choose moving towards left side. When you try to move towards left side and check whether the left side track numbers available in the queue or not. From 53, so what is the next track number available in the queue towards left side? 37. So from 53, 37, this is my first move. From 37, is there any other track numbers available? 14. So from 37 to 14, this is my second move. From 14 towards left side, is there any track number available? No, there is no track number available. But in general, from 14 you should come back. But the SCAN algorithm methodology is you start from one head position and taking one direction, you go to until the end of that direction. So here 14 is the last track number available in the left direction. Okay, even though 14 is the last, head is moves from 14 to 0. This is the third move. This is the speciality of the SCAN algorithm. Starting from 53 up to 14 the track numbers available, even though there is no track number, even though the head is moving towards the end of this side. From 0 again it takes the reverse direction and starting towards the opposite end. From 0, what are the next available tracks in the queue? So 14 already visited, 37 visited, 53 visited. So here 65 is the track available. So this is my fourth move from 0 to 65. From 65 again 67 is available. This is the fifth move. From 67 198 is available. This is the sixth move. From 98 122 is available. Seventh move. From 122 124 is available. This is 8th move. From 124 183 is available. This is the 9th move. So 183 is the last track number available towards the right side. But after 183 it cannot go to the 199 position. Okay. So because in scan algorithm, whatever the first side you are choosing, on that side you are going to the end position. This is not repeat towards the opposite direction. So that is about the scan algorithm. So either you can choose the right direction also. Now we will see. Suppose I am at 53, right? Instead of choosing left direction, if I choose the right direction from 53, where should I go? 65. From 65, 67. From 67, 98. From 98, 122. From 122, 124. From 124, 183. From 183 there is no end available, no track number available in the queue, even though it goes to the 199 position. Then from here it comes back from 199 to 37, from 37 to 14. So it stops here only. It cannot go to the end position. Here it touches the end track. So in this way the scan algorithm moves by taking one end. Okay. Now how can you calculate the track numbers total, the movement of the head? So here very easy, because you choose one direction. See, in the letter 53 to 0, you simply subtract 53 minus 0. You will get the track numbers available in this direction. From 0 to 183, 183 minus 0, 183 track numbers available. 183 plus 53. Now you will get 236 tracks. So these are the total tracks available. (53 minus 0 plus 183 minus 0). Now you will get 236. So by using scan algorithm, the head moves 236 tracks in this example. Okay. So this is very easy algorithm. You are simply taking one direction and goes to the end, then come back and visit all the vertices. Either you can choose the left direction or right direction. Okay. So guys, I hope you understand this well. Thank you.